everyone, welcome and thank you for visiting my channel. If you haven't subscribed, you're most welcome to do so. Today I'm cooking 4 different meals and with a lot of vegetables, and there's something for everyone. I got beef cut in small pieces, I got guinea fowl cut in pieces as well, chicken liver and chicken gizzard. The chicken liver will be cooked on its own with a lot of spice and herbs and spices. And also the chicken gizzard will be cooked on its own as well. But the guinea fowl will be mixed with some other vegetables, and a lot of these vegetables I have here. While the beef will also be cooked with other vegetables as well. I got a lot of onions, which is gonna go to each and every dish. Got some garlic and ginger, and then I'll add some more of the herbs and spices. Chicken liver will be first, and the onions are looking great. Chicken liver is done. Now we are on to the gizzards. Gizzards are done, looking very nice. And now chicken is on the cooking. Guineafowl is cooking well. And now we have the beef around here. I come to notice that my pot is a bit small. It's time to put in a bigger pan. Now the guinea fowl is in a bigger saucepan. It's cooking well. And the beef as well is boiling away. So far looking good. And this one is bubbling away. There will be also a few drinks. We have white wine here, cognac, whiskey, red wine, water, and all is gonna be enjoyed tonight with friends. Thank you very much for visiting my channel. Hope you like what you see, and hope to see you when I have another one. Thank you, and hope you subscribe. Bye for now.